If I don't get a romance, then we'll just have to come back and do it again and get a romance.
I think we can do all of the above, Amanda. I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it, Amanda.
The character on What We Do in the Shadows is what specific subset of vampire? There's no multiple choice. What type of vampire is Colin Robinson in?
I know the answer to this. What? I'm very proud
Yeah!
of you.
I'm having so much fun!
No! All right, go. Your turn.
Fine! Bonus! Ha-ha! That's karma! You may change one moose roll. I wish it was this!
Bip. Sha.
This is awesome.
I'm gonna call Jamal.
Share a secret!
Bitch. Get over here, get over here.
Feed me.
Amanda's a little good at that.
What is your
I'm like,
invention?
I'm having a great time. Ooh, what's this leaf?
Thank you for that.
Oh my God.
No.
Mama wants corn on the cobby. Dobby, dobby.
It doesn't seem to be sticking on.
Shoo.
Oh, here comes the tape.
Yeah!
The Angela route.
There's fumes that just do not feel good.
That glue is gross.
Mommy, get daddy, sticky daddy.
What?
Daddy, daddy.
I think the fumes are getting to her
Daddy,
brain.
sticky daddy. What? Daddy's gonna stick with mommy.
Okay, push these down.
One cannon shot can be heard in the distance.
Oh my God.
How does that keep making me laugh?
Or what about remember? Yeah.
What is
That's an Aaliyah song.
What are you?
R.I.P. What?
The hell?
What the hell?
The hell was that?
What? Sometimes I feel like I was born in another century than you guys.
Okay, I know who
I'm
Aaliyah
not that
is.
old.
I know, but it's just that sound was a lot. Stop it.
That's like different.
Stop it.
That's a different sound.
It's not making me laugh. It's making me scared.
Pookie.
Oh my God. And then we leave. And then we leave.
Absolutely.
Oh, he's he was making a moment of that.
The combo of this moment and no lights on around me is like.
I hate that we don't have any weapons. Like, it doesn't feel good. Why did we do this?
Oh, we're in the room again. Oh, we needed that view. Oh.
So. It's Mr. Krabs.
There's a dead body in here.
Smosh 30. Let me see.
Spider, get off me!
Hey.
Ow!
No.
Ow!
Are you,
Ow!
you're okay.
Ow!
You're okay. You're okay.
Ow!
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You want a kiss? You want a kiss? You want a kiss?
He sounded like.
You're welcome.
Okay.
7 cannons.
A lot!
7 cannons can be heard in the distance. I'd love some variety this time.
Okay.
Okay. First cannon shot. Slide whistle. Arasha, District 4. Shane, District 1.
That friggin' landmine.
Trevor, District 4. Emily Rose, District 9. Stupid. Keith, District 7.
So sexy.
Amanda, District 5.
That one's for Kiana.